Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Spring Hurst subdivision. Traditional style home offers cul-de-sac location and large fenced backyard with storage building and deck. Perfect for entertaining. Split floor plan with eat-in kitchen, separate formal dining room, and great room with vaulted ceiling. Loft area over great room and a finished room over the garage. Master bedrooms has his and her closets and private bath. HVAC and Thermostat 2019 and hot water heater 2022, gutters installed 2021. Well maintained and perfect for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.